Hi, my name is Jerry, and I was just sent this magnetic chess set. I absolutely love playing chess and wanted to get into doing this with my kids. I've never owned a magnetic set, and I'm really impressed with the quality of this set. Now, this set comes packaged extremely well in this lovely decorative box. It's protected on all sides by cardboard, and then inside it actually has a protective sheath. And we're going to pull that out. It also comes with your instruction booklet and rules of chess there as well. This has got some lovely, it's like a pine or peach wood and inlaid with all the veneers, dark veneers. You either get that in a walnut or a mahogany veneer. It's got lovely craftsmanship as far as the dovetail work and everything on the ends. The latches are on point. Those are really nice. It keeps everything in there. And look at the inside of this, how this is organized. I mean, this is organized really well. These pieces that are in here all have their place. They're all nicely carved. They're all magnetic again, and I'm going to show you how that's going to work here in a second. When you open up this set, one of the unique features that this has is it's actually got these little built-in feet that actually lock into each other to keep the board from shifting. And then also those little feet design on the bottom, when it's placed, it actually pushes the whole thing together by resting firmly on those feet, which is a really nice feature there. These pieces, again, are magnetic, so as you're setting up your pieces on the board, if you're going out to the park, wind's not going to be blowing those around. And if it happens to go, even no matter which way you carry it, all the pieces are going to stay firmly on the board. So that's really nice. They're also easy to move around. Really like the detail of this board, and I'm looking forward to playing with it for many years to come.